All right, guys, so today is wash day, right? Right now I'm using the Go Drip, banana pudding leave-in conditioner. That's why it's called the leave-in conditioner. You can leave it in or you can rinse it out. So what I do, I just wash my hair in the shower because today is wash day. You see what I'm saying? I put that in my hair, put this in my hair, right? I'm combing it through just to condition my hair. So I'm combing it through, right? I already combed it through already though. Combing it through, boom. So I'll be looking. I'm woofing, yes. Combing it through. You comb it through for about 10 to 15 minutes just to let it do its thing. Let the nutrients soak in the scalp. You know what I'm saying? Let it do what it's supposed to do to your hair, to the scalp. Because you already know, the hair grows from the root. So if your hair is unhealthy from the root, it's going to look unhealthy from the outside when it grows. So the hard goal is to make our hair, to look healthy from the root. What you're going to do is after you do that, you can rinse it out. Get your regular session in, rag up. But I like the washing style, so I keep this in my hair, right? I make sure it gets real damped. And it's a new method I've been doing. It's like my third time doing it. Keep this in your hair, don't rinse it out. You're gonna rinse it out after the washing style, all right? So once you put all that in your hair, boom, you're gonna use your, legendary tie-dye bar. So now you lathering it up. You know what I'm saying? It's time to get a good session in. It's time to wash your hair. Mold it. All that. So I'll get back to y'all once I get the lather going and everything. I'm brushing. I'll get back to y'all. And then pretty much after that, I'll get a good session in. I'll mold it. I'll rag up. And then I'll rinse it out. So you still got your leave-in in your hair though. So that's the catch. So I'll be back. So now I'll put, it's the lather right here. It's some of the lather that I like to grab and use last when I do my mold. But anyways, the legendary tie-dye bar right here. This one. So I applied that on top of the leave-in. Banana leave-in conditioner. And as you can see, we still getting the lather and everything. So you condition at the same time as you washing the style and then molding it in. And so it's kind of good that you're doing this because sometimes when you do when you condition and you leave it in your hair, you rinse it out, right? And then you like, damn, I got to wash this style again after I just rinsed it out. Nah, you can just apply the washes. You can apply the tie-dye bar on top of the leave-in conditioner, brush it in real good, get a washing style, rinse it out, but you condition your hair at the same time. So you condition your hair first, left it in. You're leaving it in, but you're not leaving it in all the way. You're gonna still rinse it out, but you rinse it out once you rinse out the soap too as well during the washing style at the end. You know what I'm saying? So this is the good part about it. That's the good thing about this. So you are leaving it in, but you rinsing it out. So you leave it in for a little bit of time, okay? So you still get the good lather as you can see. Getting that good lather in. So I'm gonna finish up, rag up. I'm actually about to get a shape up. Rag up. I'm gonna rinse it out, let my hair dry. Then I'm gonna go get a shape up. Then I'll come back and show you guys the results after that. All right. But nothing in my hair after that though, because I ain't putting no products in my hair. All right, guys. So just got back from getting shape up. This the results. Y'all remember I told y'all after I did all that, what I showed y'all in the video, the washing style, the new washing style method, and I put the leave-in conditioner and all that in my hair too as well. Y'all remember, y'all saw everything, right? Now here's the results. Showing y'all right now. This is live in action. I didn't put nothing in my hair. All I did was when I came home, I put a do-rag on after the haircut. Was ragged up, got a cut, ragged up. I'm ragged right now. My bad. It's a long day, okay? It's a long day. It's probably about 5 hours later, though. I ain't gonna lie, because I've been busy all day. I've been out. But some results. The results is fire. I'm telling y'all, that new method, y'all gotta try that for real. Yeah. gas. Come on, bro. New method, man. Sheesh. We still working though. I still got forks. Of course. Still working on everything, bro. Still got forks. You know, ain't nobody perfect, bro. I'm still working. We all working. Everything's a work in progress, man. Process. It takes time, bro. But we putting in work, man. We brush for progress. We woof for progress. We don't do this for nothing. We brush for something. We don't do this for nothing. We brush for something. You know what I'm saying? So that's the results, man. I know it's a long video, my bad, but I just want to do this live in action for y'all, man. So that way I ain't doing no voiceover or nothing. Y'all can see my mouth move. That's my dad say when he rapping. Yeah. Sales still going on right now. Don't miss out, man. 25% off site-wide. Let's get it.